In this tutorial, I will show you how you can download a file in PHP. Without any PHP script, you can easily download any zip file or exe file, but if you want to download PDF or CSV or TXT file, then you have to write in a script. PHP has a built-in function, read file, to do the text and download any file forcefully. First of all, I will show you how HTML works when you want to download any file. So copy the script in editor and save any location, but I am storing it in under docs and download folder, d1.html. Okay, now I will run the script and check how it works. You have to run the local server first and then you go to the browser. This is our HTML file and it is showing the 4 links that is created in the script, and it is linked with 4 files. First of all, if I click on the text file, then it is showing the content but not downloading the file. If I click on the zip file, then it is already downloading. You can see it. And if I click on the PDF, then it will open the file, not download the file. In the same way, if I click on the JPG, it is not downloading the file. So, to do the text or forcefully download these files, you can try the part 2 or example 2 of this tutorial. The second one, download file using read file function. It has many more parameters which are explained here in detail. I will just show you the text how it works. It is the HTML files, another HTML files, and I will store it in another file. So copy the text and get the file here. And each link is linked with download.php file that I will create now, and it will read the value like this. So you can pass the value by URL, or otherwise you can use this HTML. When I will run the script, so next this is HTML D2 HTML file, and now I will create the script PHP script file to download the file forcefully. Okay, it will read the path value that is provided here, and if the file exists in the current location, then it will send some header information related to the file, such as file space, name, file size, etc. And flush method is used to clear the buffer before downloading the file, and read file will do the text to download the file. And die is used here to terminate from the script. And if the file does not exist in the current location, then it will give this message, file does not exist. And if the provided, and if you don't provide any file name, then it will print file name is not defined. So now I will save this file. In the same location, d3.php. Okay. Now I will check it. So if I run the D2HTML and I click on the text file, then it is our PHP file name will be not D3, it will be download.php. So I will save it. Save as here, download. According to the script. You can modify the main script, or you can change the file name. I am changing the file name, so download.php, which is used in the download d2.html download.php. Okay, now I will again run the script and click on it. You can see the file is downloaded already. In the same way, if I click on the PDF, you can see PDF is downloading. And if you run the PHP script directly, you can also do this without using HTML. In that case, you have to provide the URL value here. No path value is sent, so it is showing the error file is not found. If I type the path like this, path equal to abc.txt, then you can see file is downloaded. And if you provide the file path name, not only file name, then how to download? Same way, this is our third HTML file. Just create the third HTML. And save as d3.html. Here you can see path is defined here. Okay, to test the script, you have to create a downloads folder in the current location of PHP script. So go to the download folder and create the folder downloads. And store the lecture.pdf there. Okay, now I can test the script, and it does not exist, source.jpg. So localhost download and click on the D3, and if I click on the PDF, you can see it is downloading the file from the path, and JPG does not exist, so if I click on it, and it is showing object not found. In this way, you can easily download any file using PHP script forcefully. Thank you.